Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Christopher Life Willis, and I'm here with the
Queenables.
And we gonna be here
on the 24th.
Y'all know what it is, man. We are here with the pod, old school versus new school car show. We supporting the community and other movements such as the Queenables. What y'all show about anyways, man? Y'all getting ready to drop pretty soon.
Yeah,
prison reform.
Yes.
Prison reform.
Advocacy, women empowering women,
Yes.
women-owned businesses, giving back to
Yes.
our community.
We got somebody
stars.
Hey, I ain't trying to get all political, but we got somebody running for president. We got a woman from. Anyway, we don't get all in that, man. Hey, women run the world. Shout out to my mama, man. We out here with the Queenables, August 24th. Y'all know what it is, and make sure y'all lock in with that show. Look them up on all social media platforms. We here with the pod movement. Let's go.